Good morning. This is Nancy at A Crone's Intuition, and I am watching a small spider making a web on a chess set that we have on our front deck, and I am absolutely fascinated. I think it stopped to rest. Ah, here we go. We've got a little bit of motion now, but he's quite spry and jumps from piece to piece as he weaves his web. Right now he's upside down. And I find this absolutely fascinating, watching him start his web or her web. I've tentatively named this spider Jasper. Of course, I guess it could be Jaspera. But let's see what it's going to do. There's some noise from the cars, and of course the katydids are making their noises. My mother used to say that was a sign that summer was coming to an end when you heard the katydid sing. Look how busy those little legs are. No, it's all about simple pleasures in nature. I'm not, I don't want spiders crawling all over me, but I'd love to watch them. I'm not afraid of them exactly. Now, palmetto bugs or roaches, I do not like those bugs at all. They can just go someplace else. Here we go. Let's see. What are you doing, babe? Here. I hope my iPhone is picking this up all right. He has like a little iridescent spot on his back that kind of looks kind of like it's glowing. I don't know what kind of spider it is. I guess he's trying to think about what to do next. Or maybe he's resting. Here we go. Oh, we're going back over there again. Ooh. Okay. Whoop. Well, he's all about weaving now, isn't he? Whoop. Oh, yeah. I've always thought spider webs are beautiful, especially when they have dew on them in the morning and the sun is shining through them. I think it's going to be interesting to see where he's going to go with this. Of course, won't be able to play chess for a while, but that's okay. That's okay. There we go. Yeah, he's got quite a bit of web going on now. You can hardly see it, but you can kind of see that he's not on the chessboard anymore. He's working above it. Well, as Jasper works, I will watch him a bit longer, and it'll be interesting to see if he makes this his home for the time being. This is Nancy at A Crone's Intuition, sharing a very simple pleasure. But you know what? It's added happiness to my day. Watching one of these little creatures so busy, so busy. Goodbye. Catch you in the next video. Hope you're all well and staying safe. Namaste.